Hi everybody! In this video, we're going to walk through the steps for connecting to the virtual desktop. As you know, our class requires Excel 2016. For lots of the class, you can get away with using Excel 365. It works just fine. But there are certain steps that require Excel 2016, and we just can't get around it. The functionality isn't there in Excel 365. So what do you do if you don't have Excel 2016? Well, these are the steps we're going to go through in this video. So the first thing I need you to do is go to the course's Blackboard site. I'm going to scroll down until I see the link for the information on Office 365. So I'm going to click there. I have a little bit of information for you so you can determine which version you're using. And then when you're ready to connect to the virtual desktop, there's a little process that has to happen where you have to set up the system first before you connect. So the first step is that you have to set up this multi-factor authentication. So that's the next thing you have to click. So step one is click Set Up Multi-Factor Authentication. And what this is the system needs to have a way to authenticate that you are who you say you are. And what they're going to do is they're going to send you a code that you have to enter every time you want to log into the virtual desktop. It has to be done. There's no way around it. Okay, so we're here setting up this multi-factor authentication. Enter your Madison College username, including the @madisoncollege.edu, and enter your Madison College password. It's the same password as if you were logging into your email or whatever. In this next window, my screen is going to look different from your screen because I've already set up my MFA, my multi-factor authentication. What you should see on the screen is there should be a little drop-down menu where you're going to choose how do you want the code sent to you. Do you want it via an automated phone call or via a text message, or there's a third option about using the app. You can download and install the app. Most people choose to have the code sent via a text. So choose the option that you want and then enter your cell phone number. You can see I've already entered my cell phone number. I'm all ready to go. Choose your option, enter your cell phone number, click save or OK or submit or whatever it is, and then you'll have that all set up. Now you're ready to go back to Blackboard and log in to the virtual desktop. That's step two. I have a link up here that'll take you to the library, the Madison College Library. They have lots of information about the virtual desktop, but I'm going to go ahead and use this link down here where it says you can access the virtual desktop through this link. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click that link, and it's always going to ask me to log in. So I'm going to log in using my Madison College username. You'll log in using your Madison College username. And here, even though it says passcode, it means password. So enter your standard Madison College password like you use again for your email or whatever, your regular Madison College password, and then it asks for that code. And aha, do you see? It texted me the code that I need to use. Every time I log into the virtual desktop, every time you log into the virtual desktop, it'll send you a brand new code and you have to enter it because you're authenticating, you're doing sort of the second layer of protection against the system that you are a real person and you are who you say you are. Okay, so I've entered my code and I'm going to click continue. Now, it might take a little while to load, but this is the next window you should see. And this is the click that icon to connect to the virtual desktop. The virtual desktop itself will take sometime. Oh, it went quickly. Sometimes it takes a while, especially the first time. It takes quite a while to load. But look, it looks just like a desktop at the college. It's a virtual desktop. So this is really great. Somewhere on the desktop, you'll see a folder for Microsoft Office 2016. I'm going to double click that. In that folder, I have Excel 2016, and it'll run just the same as if you were running Excel on a computer on campus. It works exactly the same. Might be a little bit slower, but it has all of the functionality. And so just notice, pay attention that this is actually running in my web browser. I'm on my MacBook, so I'm using Safari. You can see my real desktop is in the background. This is my virtual desktop, and it's all running via my Safari web browser. You can use whatever web browser you want, Google Chrome, Firefox, whatever, but it's a great way to have access to Excel 2016. If you have any questions or need any help at all, feel free to email me at any time.